welcome back to my another video. If you're new here, I'm Jinal. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this Western Glam Champagne makeup look. This glowy makeup will be appropriate for reception nights, evening parties and engagement nights with cocktail dress or Western gown. Since there are not much functions happening right now, but you can still practice this look at home and master it. Please don't get intimidated by this eye look. You can achieve this same look if you just follow the instructions step by step. So before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. For foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sun Beige and adding some drops of Bio Oil to it and dotting it all over my face and neck and blending it out using a damp beauty blender for a more dewy look. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige and applying it in stripes under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the area between my eyebrows and on my chin and around my mouth. Also applying it on my eyelids to act as a primer and then blending out the areas I have concealed with the help of a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm using NYX powder foundation in the shade Soft Beige and setting the areas where I have put on concealer before so that everything stay in place. Taking Sivanna color bronzer and picking this matte brown shade, I'm applying it right under my cheekbones on the hollows and also applying it on the perimeters of my face and then defining my jawline and hairline so everything look put together, and then slightly contouring my nose to make it look thinner. Using Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown, I'm making vertical strokes in the front and making horizontal strokes on the tail while filling my eyebrows in and mimicking the direction of my hair growth. Using NYX Eyebrow Mascara in the shade Espresso, I'm applying it on my eyebrows to darken it up and to set it in place. Taking Makeup Revolution Salted Caramel palette and picking this cool tone brown shade, I'm applying it on the outer corner of my eyelids and dragging it all the way to the inner corner while darkening my crease shade by adding more and then blending it out so that everything looks seamless. Using the same concealer on a flat brush, I am cutting my crease while making a fake crease above my actual crease and then filling it in up to the 3/4 part of my eyelid and then making the crease line sharper for a more defined look. Picking this cream shade from the palette, I'm dabbing it only on the front part of my crease and then using Nikake liquid eyeshadow in the shade Polaris Peach, I am applying it only on the center of my eyelids. I am not taking it too far to the outer corner or too near to the inner corner. Next, I'm just putting a little bit on the inner corner to brighten it up and then blending everything out so that there is no stark demarcation between the matte eyeshadow and the liquid one. Next, using Sugar liquid eyeshadow in the shade Black Swan, I am making a thin line along my lash line and then making two lines directing towards my tail while making a triangle and then gradually elongating it and then filling it in. Next, I'm just dragging the wing liner towards my lash line. Taking Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, I'm just placing it on the wing to smudge it later. With the help of a Q-tip, I'm smudging the outer line of my wing to get the effect of more smoked out wing liner. With a pencil brush, I'm applying the same brown shade on the lower lash line and smoking it out. Next, using NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light, I'm applying it on my waterline to give an illusion of bigger eyes. With the help of same liquid eyeshadow, I'm just highlighting my eyebrows. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation and applying it on the upper lashes for 2-3 coats for more volume and length. To add more drama, I'm using Pack eyelashes in the number 53 and I'm placing it along my lash line with the help of tweezers This takes your look into a whole another level, and with that I'm done with my eye look. Next I'm taking Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine and applying it on my cheeks with the help of a powder brush. Next, taking Sivanna color Shimmer Brick and picking this champagne shade, I'm applying it on the highest point of my face, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. With PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade So Spicy, I'm defining my Cupid's bow and lining my lips. This lip liner is very pigmented and long lasting. For lipstick, I'm using NYX Lingerie in the shade Seduction and I'm just filling my lips with it. Lastly, just set your face with a fixing spray and you are done, and here's the final look. Hope you guys like it. I had so much fun creating it. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time.